Give yourself a standout, unique look when you walk out in the Chinese Laundry Yessenia heels. You'll absolutely adore this beautiful synthetic upper that has this wonderful hatching pattern, giving you lots of added style and some color contrast while also being encrusted in jewels to give you some shimmer and shine. You'll love that classy square toe and that the two straps will lock you into place, especially with that thicker strap right above the vamp. You'll find that inside is a super soft synthetic lining with an insole that has a generous amount of cushioning to keep you comfortable longer, and you'll adore the fact that you'll have this beautiful heel that'll give you a slimming block look, adding a 3.5-inch boost of height. You'll adore the fact that you'll get a very nice synthetic outsole that has lots of ridges and grooves at the toe and at the heel cap, and you'll find that you can pair this with any outfit to give yourself quite a bit of style.